Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to filter and format data with euro currency symbols using the Pandas library in Python. Pandas is a powerful data manipulation and analysis library, and it provides various tools for working with tabular data. Make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install Pandas using the following command if you don't have it installed. Let's create a sample data frame with some numerical data that we want to format in euros. We'll define a function that takes a value and returns a string formatted with the euro symbol. Now, we'll apply the euro formatting function to the price column using the style.format method. Let's say we want to filter the data frame to only include products with a price greater than 1,600 euros. Display the original data frame with euro formatting and the filtered data frame. Now you have a data frame with euro formatting, and you can see the filtered results with the specified condition. This tutorial covers the basics of formatting data with euros using Pandas in Python. You can further customize the styling and formatting based on your specific needs. Experiment with different styling options and conditions to visualize and present your data effectively. ChatGPT